reset the control center, and fix all control center related issues. Till now, Apple doesn't allow resetting the control center option only from settings. But we can do it with these steps. I am Riva, let's get started. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to the General option. Again, scroll to the last on the screen, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone option. See the option for Reset, and all options are related to Soft Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and may ask to enter screen time passcode if enabled. If you don't remember, then forget it first and try again. Don't worry. You will not lose any data from your iPhone. And set all the settings to default, including the control center. Here's the result you can see on my iPhone screen. The only option is to downgrade the iOS version to get the old control center line on iOS 17.